your questions, use Q&A link. Now I request Rotarian Subodh, the DLCC, to share his views on today's webinar.
Welcome everybody, everyone on the panel as well as all the attendees for the seminar. This is one of its kind seminar which has been organized by District 3131, Rotary District 3131 Literacy Committee. Now everybody is more or less aware about Rotary and its work, which is spread across the globe in more than 132 countries, and there are thousands of clubs and lakhs of Rotarians have been working all across globe. Now Rotary works in different avenues of service. There are different focus areas. There are total 7 of them, out of which basic literacy is one of the important avenue. Basic literacy and education. This program will fall under this. Now in literacy committee we have again a very important program which is coined as Teach. And Teach is nothing but each letter represents a particular activity. So T is teachers support, E is e-learning, we also call it as RDP, distance education. A is adult literacy, C is child development, and H is happy school. So with these 5 different avenues and service, we cover major aspects of literacy in India. So we keep on doing different kinds of projects under this. The district literacy committees is more of an administrative body which supports different clubs within the districts, and we have around 140 clubs within district 3131, which consists of Pune and Raigad. So this is what we are doing, and under teachers support, or we also call it as teachers training, this particular program has been organized. So this is from my side. Over to you.